Hi, my name is Nadir Zafar. I'm Singaporean and I'm the founder of Real School. Having done my bachelor's and master's in Asia and Europe respectively, I felt that I was lacking the US perspective. The issues that are faced in the education sector in the US are very different from what we see in Singapore, where I'm from, or from the UAE, where I live, or in Europe, where I've studied. Coming in from outside the education sector really helps because you're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the very important things I learned very early on in my program was the ability to self-reflect. I'm not an educator. I am a business person, a very commercially minded business person. I'm very forward-thinking. I'm all about the future. I'm all about looking ahead. And I never pause and stop to reflect on what I've done. And that's one of the things this program trained me to do. I was able to see patterns in the way that I worked. It helped me to change my future trajectory. It helped me think about what is it I'm trying to achieve and how best can I achieve that, knowing what I know now about what worked in the past and what didn't work in the past. And it allowed me to put some ideas across to my boss and said, look, why don't we do XYZ as opposed to what we've been doing before? And having that academic research to back up what I want to do, I think was very beneficial. Lessons like this really helped me to put what I learned in the classroom straight directly into the boardroom. Lifelong learning is extremely crucial for the economies of the world. As a leader who is in a very innovative company, I felt that these two topics, leadership and innovation, to be part of the Doctor of Education was extremely relevant to what I wanted to be. There are so many issues facing the education world, and it needs more people with fresh perspectives to come in, particularly from outside of the education sector, bringing fresh ideas to say, let's just challenge the norms here.